Video is dedicated to help you get rid of the browser hijacker called bestresultsfast.com. Bestresultsfast.com is a browser hijacker that may unexpectedly attack Google Chrome and other browsers. The developers of this website indicate that it will be able to provide you with more relevant search results, but in reality, there are no any decent search results here. Whenever you submit any search queries, you get the results by some unfamiliar search engines. Often there are a lot of advertisements and sponsored links on top, so these results are not really relevant and they don't match users' expectations. I recommend you to remove this hijacker immediately, and my recommendation is that you do that with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Before you do that, I recommend you to carefully examine the list of your browser extensions by going to the menu More Tools, Extensions, then disable and delete any third-party extensions. To make sure that the computer is free of other threats, I recommend that you investigate it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its latest version on the website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start examining the system with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only Quick Scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.